Are you ready to elevate your construction equipment management to the next level? Discover the game-changing power of telematics at interstateheavyequipment.com. Number 1. Real-time insights. Stay in control with real-time data. Telematics technology provides valuable insights into equipment performance, fuel consumption, and usage patterns, empowering you to make informed decisions to optimize productivity. Number 2. Preventive maintenance. Eliminate downtime with precision. Telematics enables predictive maintenance, allowing you to schedule servicing and repairs proactively, minimizing unexpected breakdowns and maximizing equipment uptime. Number 3. Efficient fleet management. Streamline your operations effortlessly. Telematics simplifies fleet management, providing location tracking, usage reports, and remote diagnostics, enabling better resource allocation and project coordination. Number 4. Operator performance. Empower your operators with insights. Telematics data allows you to evaluate operator performance, identify areas for improvement, and provide targeted training to enhance efficiency and safety. Number 5. Data-driven decisions. Navigate confidently with data. Telematics equips you with accurate data to assess equipment utilization, identify potential bottlenecks, and optimize workflows for smoother project execution. At interstateheavyequipment.com, we recognize the transformative potential of telematics in construction equipment management. Our website offers a wide range of telematics-equipped machinery to elevate your construction projects. To embrace the future of construction equipment management and explore our telematics-enabled equipment, contact us at 469-370-7501. Our expert team is ready to assist you in selecting the perfect machinery for your projects.